Hey guys, this is Rebecca from Expat Woman, and today I am outside Elite Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery Group down in Dubai Healthcare City. I'm actually visiting today. This will be my second visit as part of a 4 to 5 week treatment of Profhilo that I've been having. So I first came here a few weeks ago to have the Profhilo injections. So I only had about 5 to 6 injections, if I remember correctly, just around these areas. Didn't hurt at all, as is always the case with Dr. Allen. Today or this evening, I'm actually parked outside right now. This evening I'll be having my second treatment with the team. And from my first consultation with Dr. Allen a few weeks ago, he did mention that after the second treatment I should see a lot more result. If you're considering getting Profhilo, it's already got a thumbs up from me anyway. I know there's a lot of people who have been looking into having Profhilo for their necks as well. I know Elite do it for combating tech neck, because you know we're all like this all day long. But for me, as I said, Profhilo for the jaw, perfect. So I'll speak to you after, and thank you for listening to me ramble on. Hi again. So I've literally been less than an hour inside with Elite Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery Group for my second session of Profhilo. So I'm a little bit flushed because I am warm. I mean, it's 31 degrees outside, but perhaps you can't notice, well really you can't really notice the injection sites. They just look like normal blemishes on my skin actually. I expect this to go down quite quickly. My skin's actually quite good at reacting to injections. I don't really bruise easily, and once I've kind of cooled down, the redness does go. No pain, slightly uncomfortable just here, only because these areas are closer to the nerves. Which was expected, and Dr. Allen obviously coaches you fully throughout the treatment. But yeah, literally in there less than an hour. We would have been quicker, but we've been taking pictures and videos for the review. So actually really this shouldn't take any longer than about 30 minutes. Always great to see the team, always super friendly, super helpful to answer any questions I have. I shall check in again tomorrow just to show you one day post results. But yeah, no, all good. As I said, no immediate I can go into public right now and not really be fussed. So perfectly presentable. It's funny because the team say that some people comment that it feels like your skin's like dripping. I didn't get that sensation the first time, but this time just now it almost feels like my skin is leaking, but it's not. It's just a weird sensation. But yeah, no, not painful, I promise. Perfectly fine. Highly recommend. So you'll see for yourself tomorrow and in a few days time when I do some post-treatment videos too. Thanks very much. Hi everyone. It's been just over 12 hours since I left Elite Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery Group after doing my second session of my Profhilo treatment. you can probably see I haven't put any makeup on for you guys except my brows and my eyelashes, but my face is completely clean, I promise. So you can actually see that I haven't had any reaction to the injection sites. Slight small redness on this cheek, none on this one, perhaps there, but nothing I would ever look at or double take out and go, ooh. Yeah, I can live with this. I mean, they just look like tiny blemishes, if I'm honest, and I expect these to go down within the day. Last night I noticed there was a slight, not lump, but a small bump in one of the injection sites, but it was this one. But it's gone now, which is expected after having an injection into your face, I suppose. But yeah, no, all good so far. No bruising, thank God. Thankful for Dr. Allen's magic hands is what I say. It's been almost 24 hours since I had my second session of Profhilo. I checked in this morning and there was still some small slight marks from where the injection sites were, particularly on this cheek. I just wanted to show you now just how much it's clearing up. I can't feel anything. There's no bumps, there's no lumps, so we're all good. Very happy with the treatment overall. I am on a weight loss journey and I'm very happy to know that this obviously helps improve skin laxity, particularly around the chin. And as we all know, when you lose weight, skin tends to lose its elasticity. So this is actually perfect for me right now. I'm very excited to see how it will look after a few more days. But for now, yeah, I just wanted to check in and show you an update. So